Because of a special feeling, tears naturally come to some people's eyes when they see highly realized masters. I experienced this when I visited His Holiness the Gyalwa Karmapa in Dharamsala with a group last year. The members of our group were the first to see him. While I stood at the back of the line, His Holiness gave the disciples blessings and recited a short prayer. Tears automatically came to their eyes. I really saw how their inner nature was awakening. So just like one knows that there is a fire when one sees smoke, one knows that one has the Buddha nature in moments like this, and wins certainty that it can be awakened more fully. It's very important to know that one can increase one's love and compassion. The Buddha nature is the ground to develop more and more qualities of worth by practicing the path of Dharma.